Okay, students, what you are going to do?
Acid base indicator test.
So, what you have for acid,
Lemon juice.
and you guys, what you have for base?
Soap solution.
Okay, then. So, what is your first indicator?
Red litmus paper.
Show me your red litmus paper. Which one? Very good. So, this is lemon juice. Okay, now give your red litmus paper. Then dip it into the lemon juice. What will happen? Is the color change? No. Now, so dip the red litmus paper into the soap solution. Let us check whether the color changes or not. So this is your red litmus paper. See, the color changes to blue. That means a red litmus paper changes its color to blue when you dip it into a base. But what happened when the same litmus paper you dipped into the lemon juice?
No changes.
No changes. Very good. Okay, now make a turmeric solution. This is pure water. Now put all the turmeric into it and stir it well. Only this much. Now stir it well. Now your turmeric solution is ready. We will check how it reacts with the acid and with the base. So this is your turmeric solution.
Yes,
now pour some lemon juice into it. Let us see what will happen. Okay, then stir it. Is the color change?
No.
Now let us check with the base. Pour some soap solution.
I'm sorry.
Stir it. Stir it. Stir it. Stir it. Now see. Is the color changed?
Yes, ma'am.
In which color it changed?
Red.
Very good. So here turmeric act as an indicator. When you pour some lemon juice in it, lemon juice is a acid.
Yes, ma'am.
There is no change of its color. But when you added soap solution, then its color changes to base. It implies that. So students, what is this?
China rose solution.
China rose solution. Now add some acid in it. Let us see, is its color changing or not? Squeeze it well. Someone please stir it. Can you notice its color changing or not? Students, the color is changing.
Yes, ma'am.
Color changes to?
Light magenta pink.
Okay, now let us see whether it changes its base or not. Add some soap solution in it. Stir it. Only this much. Stir it well. Stir it well. Stir it. More. Student, see, is it color changing?
Yes, ma'am.
In which color?
Green.
Green color.
Slightly.
So this indicates that China rose color changes to green when you add
Base.
base.